Okay, let's go and see. Nice. Okay. Wait. Maybe on the other side. You need to work for this. Yes. Okay, it's coming. Yeah, baby. Cool. I think these are the points. Gift code. Yeah, baby. Nice. Okay, let's go and see the goodies. Nice. Don't tell me that I have the ring too. Yeah, baby, we have the ring. That's cool. This is a strap. Green stripes. I like green. Lime. Okay. Get rid of that. Also, I think this is a thing that you put here. Your neck. Very nice packaging. Premium. Love it. Okay. What is this? Okay. Oh, that's cool. Oh, so these are like nice. Some glasses. Hopefully those are not the glasses. This is so funny. Okay. I don't know how to take it off. Okay, let's see. Maybe going like this. Yeah. Come out, wherever you are. Oh, this is cool, man. This is so cool. Holy Frankenstein. This is some cool glasses. Cool. Nice. Okay, closing like this. Closing like that. Put it in here. It's perfect. What do you want more? So So this is a bonus. I never knew about that. I saw some reviews, but I'm not a Kickstarter supporter. I just bought them, and I was not expecting this. Holy Frankenstein, what is this? Shut up. Yep. Cool. Okay, have some cloth to clean the glasses. This is cool. Bubble. Yeah, it's a cool cloth for cleaning of the glasses. It's always a bonus. I like these clothes. This could go here very easily, very beautifully, and go inside the pouch. Yeah. Okay. This one it's okay. This one I don't need it. This one can put it here for now. Okay. Read before use. Yeah. Yeah, this is the charger. Nice. And this is the ring. Let's see if it fits. Oh my god, this is so good. Yeah, it fits too loosely. Okay. But still, it's okay. It's a little bit big, but it's okay. Nice. Yeah, you can put something inside to like make it more, how do you say, more fixed on your finger. Maybe a 3D print. It's no issue with that. Okay. This one should like stick here. Yeah, cool. So don't put it in the water. Some swipes. Okay, some info. Nice. Put it here for now. And now for the main event. Okay. To cut this. Sorry. Okay. Should open like that, right? Nope. Okay. Then it's like this. Okay. Ta-da! Oh. This is nice. Cables. Okay. Okay, this is an USB cable, of course. Oh, okay. And it's material coated. That's lovely. Nice. Okay. Put this for here for now. I don't need this. Maybe this will have. I don't know. Okay, we'll see after that. Okay. Okay. They don't want to come out. All right. Maybe something is inside. I don't know. So light. It's like it's nothing inside. Yeah, there is something inside. Okay. How to take it out without scratching anything. Okay. Okay, now the material. Okay, what is this? Oh, that's the thing on the glasses. Shit. On the display. Hopefully it's still good. Yep. Was the thing that was protecting the display. Okay. How do I look? Nice. Yeah, so we'll do some testing, but it's cool. They're here. Good job, Halliday.